Hello, amazing Avid students. This is Mrs. Tucker with your instructions for your assignment September the 3rd, which is Thursday. So when you log into your Google Classroom, guys, remember you're going to go to classwork. You're going to scroll down to week 2 assignments, and you should see September 3rd Ed Puzzle videos and emojis. Right now it's not released to you guys yet, so that's why it looks a little grayed out. When you click on it, you'll see you should find an instruction video, which I'm recording right now, so it's not attached, your Ed Puzzle assignment, and a Google Doc. So you're going to watch the instruction video. You're going to go ahead and complete an Ed Puzzle. So when you go to Ed Puzzle, guys, you're going to click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to sign in with Google. If you have to create an account, but please make sure you use your student Google account. So you'll sign in with Google. Again, I already have an account with them, so I'm just going to click Marie Tucker. Ask your teacher to add you to the Google Classroom connected class. See, I'm not in there, so let me just go ahead and switch over. So you may have to come over here, click either sign up, and then you'll sign up as a student, sign in with Google, and go from there. But when you go into Ed Puzzle, so I'm going to go back. I am the teacher. I already have the account, so I'm going to sign in with Google. It's going to log me in. I just want to show you. So it's going to pop up and you're going to see this video. Some of you who had me last year, you're going to recognize this video. But what you're going to do is you're going to play the video. And if you'll notice along the bottom, there's kind of like these little raindrops. Each of those, when you get to that part in the video, it's actually going to make you stop and answer a question. So you're just going to hit play. It will automatically stop. You don't have to stop it. And then over here to the side, it will pop up to where you will need to write your answer. It will not let you move on until you write an answer. So you'll watch the video, respond, then click continue, respond, and keep going from there. All right, if you go back to the assignment, then you'll go ahead and it says make sure that you go to the how to type emojis. That was a video that I put up here on your how to videos. It should be right here, how to type emojis in Windows 10, because for your next assignment, it's going to be a Google Doc, and you are going to, it's another get to know you activity. I know this says Avid 1, but each of the grade levels, Avid 1, 2, 3, and 4 should be there. But this is very important before you start. You are going to need to copy all of this information here. So leave the first one blank, okay? Nobody use this first one. You're going to copy, go right underneath it, then hit paste, and then you'll see it's there. So now I'm going to start with my information, and then I'm going to answer all of these questions with emojis. So leave this one here so everybody can go back in and just copy and paste and go from there. So by the time we're done, this should turn into about 2 or 3 pages. I'll go ahead, I'll leave this one here, that way you guys have that. So that is what you want to make sure that you do until you keep adding to it. All right, guys, those are your 2 assignments for the day. Please let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me or respond to this. You don't have to do anything with the Google Doc. I have a copy of it, so you don't have to share it with me, nothing. Just make sure you copy and paste and answer the questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.